Did you know that with a very simple natural fertilizer made at home, your Anthurium can grow greener leaves, stronger roots, and bloom longer? On this first day of the new year, Flower Care Garden wishes you a healthy year filled with positive energy and thriving plants. In today's video, I'll share a completely natural Anthurium care method, with no chemicals, no expensive products, and easy to try at home. If you love Anthuriums and want to see clear results in a short time, make sure you watch this video till the end. Now, I start with a very familiar ingredient for plant care, ginger. Ginger works as a natural antibacterial, helping roots stay healthy and reducing fungal problems. I slice the ginger into small pieces and place it into a clean glass jar. Which country are you watching from? Please leave a comment below and let me know. It's amazing that we can connect and chat with each other from all around the world. Next, I use finely ground charcoal powder. Charcoal helps absorb toxins, purify the water, and stabilize the root environment. Just 1 spoon of charcoal powder, added into the jar with the ginger. Then, I pour in 1 liter of boiling water and stir well, allowing the nutrients to release properly. Finally, I let the mixture sit for about 30 minutes, allowing it to cool completely before using it on the plants. Next, I use a turmeric solution to care for the plants, helping with natural antibacterial and antifungal protection and keeping the roots healthier. I add 1 spoon of turmeric powder into a clean glass jar. Then, I pour in 1 liter of boiling water and stir the mixture well. Boiling water helps release the active compounds in turmeric more effectively, making the solution cleaner and more stable for plant use. Finally, I let the solution sit for about 30 minutes, allowing it to cool down before using it on the plants. After preparing the natural solution, I will now check on my Anthurium plant. My Anthurium currently has many dry leaves, dry stems, and even faded, dried flowers, all of which are old and weakened parts. These dry leaves, stems, and flowers can no longer recover, yet they still drain the plant's nutrients. If left for too long, they can reduce airflow and create conditions for fungal problems. So, I carefully check each leaf, stem, and flower, then remove all the dry and damaged parts. This pruning helps improve airflow and allows the plant to focus its energy on healthy roots, new leaves, and better blooms in the future. This is a very important step before applying the solution, helping the plant absorb nutrients more effectively and recover faster. After soaking the turmeric powder long enough, before filtering, I give the solution a good stir to make sure everything is well mixed. Next, I strain out all the turmeric residue, keeping only the clear liquid. This step keeps the solution clean, prevents residue buildup, and makes it safer for the plant. After filtering, I dilute the solution with 500 milliliters of room temperature water. Then, I stir everything once more so the solution is fully balanced. This makes the solution gentler, more stable, and perfect for caring for Anthurium plants. For the first step, I prepare a clean cotton pad and soak it evenly with the freshly prepared turmeric solution. I gently wipe each Anthurium leaf, starting with the older leaves and then moving on to the healthier ones. I make sure to wipe both the top and underside of the leaves, where dust, bacteria, and fungal spores often accumulate. Turmeric solution has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping clean the leaf surface and slow down fungal growth. Turmeric also helps reduce bacteria that cause rot, supporting better leaf recovery and preventing disease from spreading to healthy leaves. After wiping, the leaf surface becomes cleaner and more breathable, allowing better photosynthesis and making the plant look noticeably healthier. Throughout the process, I wipe very gently, avoid pressure to prevent scratching the leaves, especially young ones. In addition to Vietnamese, this video is also dubbed into multiple languages: English, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, Dutch, Polish, Italian, and Indonesian. You can easily switch languages in the video settings for a more comfortable viewing experience. It's best to wipe the leaves in the early morning or late afternoon, avoiding strong sunlight to prevent leaf stress. For the next step, I pour the turmeric solution into a spray bottle and spray it evenly over the entire Anthurium plant. I lightly spray the leaves, leaf stems, and main stem, avoiding heavy spraying to prevent stress or damage. Turmeric solution provides natural antibacterial and antifungal protection, forming a thin protective layer on the plant's surface. Even spraying helps prevent fungal diseases from spreading, especially in humid conditions or when the plant is stressed. It also helps clean the leaf surface, reduce bacteria, and discourage small pests from settling on the plant. When applied properly, the Anthurium becomes more breathable, with healthier leaves and faster recovery after pruning. I apply a light, even mist, avoiding overspraying so water doesn't sit on the leaves. The best time to spray is early morning or late afternoon, avoiding strong direct sunlight. After spraying the solution onto the Anthurium plant, I continue preparing the remaining liquid for the next care step. I then strain out all the residue from the finely ground natural charcoal and soaked ginger, keeping only the clean, clear liquid. Removing the residue makes the solution safer for the plant, preventing root blockage and residue buildup. Next, I combine this liquid with the turmeric solution prepared earlier. When mixed together, these natural ingredients work in harmony, making the solution more stable and effective. In the end, I get a complete natural fertilizer. Safe, easy to use, and perfect for Anthurium plants. For the next step, I water the entire growing medium with this natural fertilizer, making sure the solution reaches deep into the root zone. This mixture is made from natural charcoal, ginger, and turmeric. And each ingredient plays a role in supporting and protecting the root system. Natural charcoal helps clean the root environment and absorb toxins. Ginger provides mild antibacterial support, while turmeric offers antifungal protection and encourages root recovery. Watering the medium evenly allows the roots to come into full contact with the nutrients, helping the plant absorb them more effectively and stabilize after pruning. Finally, I soak the Anthurium in this solution for about 10 minutes, allowing the roots to absorb nutrients directly and more efficiently, which is especially important during recovery. After soaking the Anthurium for about 10 minutes, I gently lift the plant out of the solution and let it drain briefly. To move on to the next step, I use a clean, dry cloth to gently wipe off any water left on the leaves. I wipe both the top and underside of the leaves, always using a gentle touch to avoid damaging the leaf surface. Drying the leaves helps prevent water from sitting on the surface, which reduces the risk of fungal issues and keeps the leaves clean and breathable. For Anthuriums, clean and dry leaves also support better photosynthesis and help the plant recover more smoothly after treatment. Once this step is complete, I place the plant in bright, indirect light, avoiding direct sun so it can continue to recover. Plant care isn't just a routine, it's a journey of patience and care. With simple, natural ingredients, we can help our plants heal, grow stronger, and thrive day by day. Slow down, observe, and enjoy the small changes over time. As the new year begins, I wish you and your plants a happy, healthy year filled with positive energy and growth. If you enjoy natural plant care like this, consider subscribing so we can grow and care for plants together. Thank you for staying until the end. Wishing you peaceful days and thriving plants ahead.